Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this LED grow light pot. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So I do a lot of my plants in hydroponics, and the good thing about this pot right here is you can do hydroponics, or you can actually put soil in there as well. And it's supposed to make it to where you don't have to water it as often, and it's a lot less messy, if that makes any sense. So this is how it comes boxed. So you can see everything in there like that. It does come with a user manual right there. It has a little charger and a brick that you can plug it in with, which is really nice that it came with both pieces. So like that. This is what the pot itself looks like. You can see it has this light that is attached to it. So you can put this in an area that's more dark in your house, and you won't have to really worry about it. So this is a soil isolate paper, and pretty much what this paper right here will do is when you put you'll fill it up with water, then you'll put this paper down and start placing soil, and this will keep the soil from actually going down into the water and just kind of keep everything separate. Because sometimes when you first plant a pot, plant something, the soil will actually go through the bottom of the pot, and you don't want that since the water is going to be at the bottom. As you can see, this light does have a wicker right here, which if you open it up, so what happens is when you put water at the bottom of this, which it shows, it has a little ball thing right there, which will show you how full it is. And you can check on the watering just by looking at that. So if you do decide to use it with soil, you will know when to water it, because you'll be able to tell down here when it's dry. And then this will continually wick up the water to your plant. Or if you put it in leca, you can just fill the bottom up right here. And again, this thing will absorb the water into the leca and then continue to give your plant soil. So the pot itself, it actually is not that big around this area. It literally, let me show you. So this is maybe like maybe 2 inches. Yeah, about 2 inches thick. So that's actually not like a ton of space. But if you do your plants in leca or something like that, the roots grow usually through the bottom. So that would be fine. And then let's go ahead and plug it in and see how it works. Okay, as you can see, you plug it in right here. And then up here you have all your functions. So you can turn it on right there. And you can see if it's a small plant, if it's a larger plant, or if it's a big plant, the different light scales. And you can also change the time. You can leave it on for 8 hours, 12 hours, or up to 16 hours. So as you can see, that is it actually is like a mixed light. And then you have your blue light. That's a more red and blue. And this is white, red, and blue. So very nice. And then you can turn it off just right there. So very nice. It did also come with the extra wick, which is really nice. So that when this one goes bad, you can change it out. But let me go ahead and put a plant in here, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, and as you can see, I put my poly in here, and I put some leca, which are just like little clay balls. Let me turn this off so you guys can see. And this is gonna be perfect. It was actually dying. I had it in moss, so I actually needed to transfer it over to leca because I actually had it in this previously, which is fine. But it's just, it needed to be a little more airy. And have a continual amount of moisture, because these ones do like high moisture, and I love putting my alocasias in water. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.